How to find storage settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find storage settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now just go down and here you will find this one, mini storage. And as you see here, you can manage Messenger Lite storage. If you want to clear it, just click here, clear cache and cache, and that's how to find the mini storage on Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.